really. Would like
Let me
to-
ask it this way, sir. 6 of these counts that you have been convicted of are intentional homicide charges. The options for the court are very limited. Life without the possibility of extended supervision. Life with the possibility of extended supervision as early as 20 years, that's the statute. And third, anything in between. And then lastly, related to that, there's an enhancer of 5 years for each count based upon the jury answering that special verdict question, did you commit the offense of intentional homicide by using a dangerous weapon? Thoughts on that?
I don't.
Do you think you should spend the rest of your life in prison without ever seeing freedom outside bars? That would be extended supervision. Should these counts run consecutive or concurrent? Meaning one after the other, or serving them at the same time? What are your thoughts on those things?
I didn't understand everything you said, but I did. I can't live a million years,
I understand that.
so I feel like I should be able to go somewhere where I can be helped, where I can be properly evaluated, where I can be properly medicated. If that is an extended period of a long, long time, at least I know that I'm getting what I need. Not what I want, what I need. At least then I would be able to say, it's okay. You can be you. You can be grateful for the fact that you have experts, or I don't know if that's the right word, but you have people that know exactly what to do, that recognize exactly what needs to be done and what should be done. To be able to like I said, be properly medicated, which is extremely needed. I don't know if that answers.
I'll follow it up again. What I hear you saying, sir, is that you don't have a specific recommendation in terms of how long the sentences are, whether they're life, whether they're consecutive, whether they're concurrent, but you're asking me to take into consideration your mental health needs and your desire to get help. Would that be fair?
Yes, I would say. I think it should be what you said. What was the term you used?
The extended supervision term, or consecutive versus concurrent?
Yeah, the concurrent.
Right. Serving sentences at the same time versus consecutive, one after the other.
Serving all together. My main thing is, you know, like I said, regardless, is to not just be placed somewhere and just forgotten about. That doesn't help. Obviously, I don't know how that all works. But I know that it would greatly benefit me to be able to be somewhere where, like I said, I can properly evaluate it and medicate it with the things that I need. It could be something that I haven't even discovered yet, or not me myself, but it could be something that maybe way near that could have helped me years ago that I probably wouldn't never have known up until this point, that could have immensely helped. I want the I want the opportunity.
And again, I think we're starting to repeat some of these topics that you've covered, and I understand what you're saying. And I want to
beat this. I want to beat this. I want the opportunity to beat it, to show that it can be beat.
At this time,
I don't have to live like, you know. I want to show. I want to show that regardless of anything, that there is still hope. I want to be able to show my children that regardless, you can rise up. You don't have to.
I believe I understand and comprehend your desire to have your mental health issues addressed and met. You've stated that multiple times. I understand that. I can certainly address that in my sentencing remarks here today. At this time, it's been over 2 hours. I appreciate all of the words you've said here today and the fact that you've made a statement.
I apologize for the length. I didn't even
it's not about
realize.
It's okay. But at this time, I would like to take about a just shy of 20-minute break, come back at 3 p.m. and start my portion of the sentencing hearing with my sentencing remarks and the sentence. So at this time, we will be in recess until 3 p.m. Thank you, everyone.